welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please click the subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified for more new videos. Okay? How to get monetized in YouTube. First, to be monetized in YouTube, we need to complete the requirements of YouTube. What are the requirements of YouTube? The requirements of YouTube is 4,000 public watch hour and 1,000 subscribers in 12 months. So in one year, you need to complete the 4,000 public watch hour in 12 months and 1,000 subscribers, and YouTube will review your channel if you are eligible to apply for the monetization of your channel. So here's my video on how to apply for the monetization of YouTube channel. Ito yung ating YouTube channel, and then punta lang tayo dito sa icon ng channel nyo, and then go to YouTube Studio, click and wait, loading lang. Tapos ito na siya, and then go to monetization, click, and then scroll down and tignan natin kung complete na natin siya or pwede na tayong mag-apply. So na-complete natin ang 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hour. So pwede tayong mag-apply. So click apply now, and ito ang magpapakita sa inyo. So first step, second step, and third step. Meron tayong third step. So first step, review partners programs. And then, ito siya. So, you need to read and understand this one, the program terms, and click I accept and email me updates. Kailangan mo itong i-click itong dalawang ito. And then, click accept terms. Hintayin lang siya mag-loading. Mag-loading siya, and then mag-automatic din siyang finish. Okay, step 1 is done. Now, let's go to step 2, sign up for Google AdSense. Okay, start. And then, verify it's you. So, you verify kung ito ba ang inyong YouTube channel. And then, you will click proceed. Okay, enter. To continue, first verify it's you, so enter your password. And then next. Okay, i-verify niyo lang yung phone na ginamit mo. Yes. And then merong notification sa phone na available na ginamit mo previously. So, kailangan mo siyang tignan yung phone mo. Merong verification tayong marireceive sa email natin. So, and then, open nyo lang yung email nyo sa cellphone. Example, sa aking cellphone is sa Samsung Galaxy 11. I-open ko yung email, and then itap ko lang yung 66. Okay, next, you will be directed to AdSense to complete this application. So, no, I don't have an existing account. So, click nyo lang yun, and then continue. Okay, magkakaroon tayo ng new tab, and then choose your account. Kung yung account ng iyong YouTube channel, click. Maglo-loading siya, and scroll down. Yes, send me customized help and performance suggestion. So, click yes. Select your country. Okay, Philippines. Kahit na wala kayo sa Pilipinas, kailangan ding i-select natin ang Philippines dahil Hindi tayo permanent kung saan man tayo ngayon. Okay, please review and accept our terms and conditions. So, babasahin mo lang lahat itong mga terms and condition. Scroll down lamang siya. Scroll down natin siya. Kung meron kayong pasensya, basahin nyo po itong lahat, itong terms and conditions. Nandito lahat. And then, pagkatapos, click, yes, I have read and accept the agreement. And then, create account. Okay, mag-loading yung siya. And then, yan na siya. Naka-apply na tayo sa ating Google AdSense. Magsimula. Ayan na siya. Okay, uri ng account. So, individual, hindi pang business yung account ko. And then, pangalan ng iyong channel. And then, next is your address. Philippine address. Okay, next is your kung saan ka, lungsod, Tabuk City, kung saan ka, Tabuk City. Ito yung address ko sa Philippines. Click submit. Okay, next. Wait lang natin siya mag-loading. Okay, madirect ka sa iyong host. So, i-click lang natin ang redirect. Okay, hintayin natin siyang mag-loading. Okay. Ibabalik ka niya sa iyong YouTube channel, and then step 2 is in progress sa ating pag-apply sa Google AdSense. Ang pag-apply sa Google AdSense ay matatapos yan 1 to 2 days siya. So, balikan natin siya bukas or the next day. Titignan natin siya kung na-approve na ang ating pag-apply sa ating Google AdSense.
2 days later.
Okay, step 2 is done. So next in step 3 is automatic siya na mag-progress. So i-restart nyo lang siya. And then yan na po. Approve na tayo and our channel is monetized na po. Okay, next natin gawin is tingnan natin siya. So makikita nyo ang ating AdSense account is active. Check natin yung videos. Check natin ang ating mga videos. Okay. As we can see, naka-off pa lang ang ating monetization. Naka-off. So, next, click monetize video. Right upper corner. And then, click monetize all videos now. So, ito yung postura ng ating mga ad-ends kung saan siya nakalagay sa ating videos. Apply. Click apply, and then hintayin lang natin siyang mag-loading. Updating videos, it's safe to navigate away, wait before making another bulk update. So hintayin lang natin siyang mag-update. I-refresh lang natin itong tab na ito. Okay, refresh and hintayin lang natin siya. Okay, yung monetization, as you can see po, yung monetization ay naka-on na po silang lahat. So, makikita na natin ang ating dollar sign ay naka-on na po siya. So, yan po, check natin. Okay, on na silang lahat. So, ang ating monetization ay on na. So, ganun lang po ang pag-apply ng ating monetization sa ating YouTube channel, and I hope guys nakatulong ang ating video na ito. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification for more videos. Thank you.